I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. We combine 40 years of industry experience with modern tech to keep your business moving.
In this video, we teach you how to delete or void a bill in Xero. Click Purchases, then select Bills. You can follow the same process to delete draft bills and bills awaiting approval. First, let's delete a bill from the Drafts tab. Click the checkbox next to a bill, or select multiple bills to delete them in bulk. Then, click Delete. Xero tells you the number of bills it will delete. Click Delete to confirm. You can also open the bill by clicking the View Bills icon. Then click on the menu icon and choose Delete. Select Yes, Delete to confirm. You can void Awaiting Payment and Paid bills, but you can't delete them. Void a bill from the list of bills in the Status tab or from within the bill itself. From the Awaiting Payment tab, select the checkbox for the bill or bills you want to void. Then, click Void. Xero warns you that it can't undo voided bills and lists the bills you've chosen to void with a readiness status. Unable to void, bills have partial payments or credits that you must remove before Xero can void them. Click Continue to void the bills that are ready. Next, let's look at how to void a paid bill. Click the Paid tab. Select a bill to open the details. You must first remove any payment or credits to return paid bills to an Awaiting Payment status. Click the Payment link. Then, click Options and choose Remove and Redo. Return to the bill to void it after removing the payment. Click Bill Options, then choose Void. Click OK to confirm. Deleting and voiding a bill is permanent. However, you can copy a deleted bill to a new transaction to recreate it. From the All tab of the Bills page, click Filter and select Deleted and Voided. Xero shows deleted or voided bills. Click the View Bill button and click Copy to recreate the bill if you mistakenly deleted or voided it. Now you can delete or void bills in Xero to keep your unpaid purchases accurate and up to date.